Hi guys and welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, I will show you how to offer free shipping on Shopify. To start, select Settings on the left corner of your screen. Once you are now here, look for Shipping and Delivery. Under Shipping and Delivery, select Shipping. Then in here, scroll down then look for Custom Shipping Rates. Select the link over there and wait for Shopify to finish loading. In here, you are going to be creating a new profile for shipping. On Shipping Origins, select Manage on the right corner. Then, select Remove Shipping Rates, then select Done. Once you're good to go, scroll down then select Save on the bottom right. Don't forget to add a profile name so it will be saved. Once done, head on over to Settings once again. On Settings, select Custom Data. Scroll down this time, and then in here you can add a rate. In here, select Set up your own rates, then select Done. In here, give your rate a name and then your price, then select Done. And as you can see over here, all the things that we created, it will say it's free. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.